Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And this is part 3 of this. While that other video was loading, I thought, we made a perfect shape for this pistol grip. Well, I've already deleted the gun. And you could add to this with the same way that we did when we took out these diamond shapes here. If you will take the smart filters, I just drew a kind of like a X pattern with the artistic media tool, and I put initials in here all kind of joined together. But if you'll use your smart fill tool to fill that in, and then let's nudge that over in your smart fill tool to nudge that in and that. So what we need to do is probably nudge those two over, I got the initial. Nudge that over, and then take our red and nudge this over. And I just started thinking this is like 3 elements, so we might have to combine them to get this to work. And then I'm gonna left click and right click, left click and right click. And what I do like about a lot of people are gonna use the power clip tool, and that would work fine, but if you use the power clip tool, you've lost your power clip. You've lost what you're using. With the intersect tool, you could keep using it. So there's our new pattern, and if you look with it in the yellow box trick, the white part is not going to engrave because it's not really there. So I'm going to go to order back a page. So if you look, the diamond pattern is going to go around that. And what I said about the intersect tool, my pattern is still there. I can use it again. So grab both of them, intersect, and we can bring that in there. Well, and that's what I was going to say earlier about make sure you nudge if you're going to do this. But there's your other diamond pattern. It's going to have the customer's initial, not with a diamond pattern on it. It's going to just diamond pattern around it because the yellow is transparent and not going to be touched. So you could add a little bling to that very easily. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.